Are you eager to play Fortnite on your school iPad but facing restrictions? Today I'm going to show you how to bypass those blocks and dive into the action in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Choose a reliable VPN. First, you need a virtual private network (VPN) that can help you access Fortnite. I recommend ExpressVPN. It's known for its ability to bypass school filters effectively, ensuring a smooth gaming experience. Step 2. Download and install the VPN. Next, head to the App Store or the official website of your chosen VPN. Download the app and follow the installation instructions. This process is straightforward and should only take a few minutes. Step 3. Connect and play. Once installed, launch the VPN app, connect to a server that's closest to your locations for optimal speed. Now open Fortnite and log in. That's it. You're ready to enjoy Fortnite without any interruptions from your school's network. Why is Fortnite blocked? Schools often block games like Fortnite to maintain focus in the classroom and conserve bandwidth. However, using a VPN not only allows you to bypass these restrictions but also keeps your online activity private. Can schools detect VPN use? Yes, schools can see that you are using VPN, but many top-tier VPNs often offer obfuscation features that disguise your connection, making it appear as regular internet use. So there you have it. With these 3 simple steps, you can enjoy Fortnite on your school iPad anytime you want. Just remember to use this responsibly and be aware of your school's policies regarding internet usage. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Happy gaming!